Welcome to our channel where we simplify your business finance management with clear, easy-to-follow guidance on Cash App login. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your business finance management with clear, easy-to-follow guidance on Cash App login. Managing your Cash App business account starts with a secure and straightforward login process. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device or navigate to the official Cash App website on your desktop browser. Once the app or website loads, look for the Sign In or Log In button, usually located at the top right corner. Tap or click on it to proceed. Next, enter the phone number or email address associated with your business Cash App account. Make sure you use the exact information you registered with, as this is key for verification. After entering your contact information, you will receive a confirmation code via text message or email. This step helps keep your account secure. Retrieve the code and enter it into the prompted field on the screen. Once verified, you will be directed to enter your Cash App PIN or password. This step ensures that only authorized users access your business funds and transaction history. If you have forgotten your PIN or password, there is a Forgot PIN or Password option to reset it securely. Upon successful entry, you will be logged into your Cash App business account dashboard where you can view transactions, manage payments, request funds, and access financial reports. Remember to always log out from shared or public devices to protect your business information. Following these steps will help ensure smooth access to your Cash App business account every time. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to log into your Cash App business account. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful business tips and tutorials.